Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Obsidian, templates, and Make.md are enabled. This gives immediate automation. Open your vault and create a templates folder so Make.md can insert fragments, then add a minimal Makefile. MD with at least 3 targets, build, draft, publish. This maps commands to actions. Once done, bind a hotkey for running Make.md or use the command palette because shortcuts speed iteration. Make sure file paths in the Makefile MD match your vault structure before moving on. You now flesh out targets using YAML front matter or fenced code blocks so Make.md can parse commands. Define each target. Note path, template to apply, and any shell or plugin actions. This connects what to do with where. Once defined, test with a dry run flag or a non-destructive test note to validate paths and variables. Then chain dependent targets. Draft, then build, then publish, so one command triggers the next. Make sure variables are consistent to avoid broken links or duplicate notes. You execute your final workflow using the command palette or hotkey and inspect the generated notes for expected front matter, links, and content. If things go wrong, check for path mismatches, YAML parsing errors, or missing template names. These are the usual culprits. Once identified, run the failing target in isolation with verbose logging to see detailed errors. Finally, make small fixes and rerun. This iterative approach prevents cascading failures and ensures your Make.md workflow becomes reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.